The National Emergency Response Committee is closely monitoring this situation and will be able to escalate any measures that would be required. We therefore wish to urge Kenyans to remain calm and to exercise patience as the government addresses this situation. We do appeal to our communities living within and around our border counties to actively exercise the Nyumba Kumi community policing. We should be vigilant and we should report any suspicious individuals who may use panya routes to get into the country. Turning to our situation as pertains to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have tested 1,486 samples in the last 24 hours, bringing to total the number of samples tested to 36,918. And from the samples tested today, 21 people have tested positive for COVID-19 disease. And all these 21 are Kenyans. The youngest is 7 years old, whereas the oldest is 79 years old. 14 are male and 7 are female. And 4 out of this number are truck drivers who are tested at the Namanga border. Out of the same samples, 8 individuals were truck drivers from Tanzania who also tested positive and were referred back to Tanzania. 7 at the Namanga border and 1 at Hispania border. The 21 Kenyan cases are distributed as follows: 12 cases from Mombasa, 4 from Kajiado, 4 from Nairobi, 1 from Uasin Gishu. And therefore, this brings the total number of those who've tested positive in the country to 758. The positive cases are also spread out in the estates as follows. In Mombasa, Likoni has 5 cases, Mvita 4 cases, Jomvu 2 cases, and Nyali 1 case. And in Kajiado, 3 are from the Namanga border point and 1 from Loitoktok. And in Nairobi, 4 of the cases are distributed between Isili and Kibra, with each having 2, while Uasin Gishu has 1 case from Tarbo. Today, we have discharged 3 people from hospital, and this brings to number 284 the total number of recoveries from COVID-19. And we do thank our healthcare workers for this achievement. However, on a sad note, we have lost another 2 patients, both from Nairobi County, and this brings to 42 the total number of those who have so far lost their lives from the disease. And we would like to send our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families and friends. As we conclude, we would take this opportunity to thank all those who have provided different kinds of support to the Ministry of Health in response to this pandemic, and we encourage other well-wishers to continue extending their support. And aligned to this today, we do have a team from World Vision who will be presenting to us a number of PPEs as part of their support towards COVID-19 response.